81 divided by 9 in bracket 3 times 3. Alright guys, some people solve this wrongly by doing this multiplication first, alright, followed by this division. If you do this, if you do something like this, 3 times 3 will give us 9. 9 times this 9 is equals to what? 81. Alright, so 81 divided by this 81 is equals to what? 1. But this answer is not correct. According to PEMDAS, you have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority, okay? And we have to solve this following the rules from left to right. So if we do this, follow the rules. Now, let me write the question again. 81 divide by 9 in bracket 3 times 3. So now, if we follow the rules, we have to look at it now. So we have to do parentheses. So there's parentheses in the equation. We don't have exponent. There's multiplication and division. So let's do this parentheses first. So we have 81 divided by 9. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Remember, there is an invisible multiplication sign here, because if a number is close to parentheses, we have to divide, multiply. So we'll put our multiplication. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Now, we have done our parentheses. So what are we doing next? We are doing division, because board math says we have to do division following the rules left to right. So if we follow the rules, if you do multiplication first, you will see you will not get the answer correctly. So we have to do division next. So now 81 divided by 9. 81 divided by 9 is going to give us 9. 9 times 9 is equals to what? 81. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.